This is Jeff Chatham with Woodruff Property Management. I'm in the basement of 752 Birch Street. Plumber has already started work, but we figured out the sump pump was plugged into a GFI outlet and tripped and failed to operate, thus flooding this room and extending all the way out. It is currently underneath the tile and throughout this entire room. As you can see, all the water spots. It is, you just step down and it in certain places, and back here you can see the water in the basement. So it has fully saturated the basement.